Today I'm servicing a Subaru Liberty GT, and I was just draining the front diff and I noticed that the front diff drain plug had a magnet in it, and it was coated in a fine layer of small metal particles, which is what it's supposed to do, pick up the particles out of the oil. I thought I'd compare the factory unit to the Dimple unit that Neat Gearboxes stock here. As you can see, there's a couple of minor differences. The magnets look a little different, and the top of the factory one is a Torx 70, a T70 bit, whereas this just uses a normal hex style head. But other than that, the thread form's the same, the thread length is the same, and they're quite comparable. Here I've got a gear, and as you can see, this magnet here is just not even going to get anywhere near picking that up. And I've got a spanner here, and it almost, not quite, but almost picks that spanner up. The Dimple plug, on the other hand, really just straight away picks that up, and so I thought, well, how strong are these things? And so I've got a much heavier unit here, and it's still lifting that, so I'll just keep going. Still lifts it, and even with this extra gear here, it still lifts it. That's actually 3 kilograms that it's lifting, whereas this little spanner here is only 75 grams, and the factory plug struggles to lift it. So you can see the sort of quality of the magnet that Dimple uses. What that means is that your oil, whether it's in your diff or your gearbox, transfer case, engine oil, is going to be a whole lot cleaner because that magnet's a lot stronger and will draw any particles that pass by. So you can see the quality of the Dimple product.